Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today I am driving, not riding, the Hyundai Venue 1.2 petrol, and this is the mid variant, and this video is going to be about a short review and riding experience of the Hyundai Venue 1.2 petrol. So let's get started. So driving the Hyundai Venue, well, the first thing I noticed is the steering, which is extremely light, and you can just toggle it with one hand. As you can see, the maneuverability of this car is good. The balance of the car is very good. It stays planted, and as you can see, there is no cabin noise. The engine is really smooth, the 1.2 liter petrol. And the gear shift is also really smooth. It's actually butter smooth, and I'm currently driving it on this slightly rough patch of road. And I can also tell you that the suspension is also very good in this car, very well set up, and there is no body roll actually in this car, which is a good thing, because this car stands in the segment where it is called a mini SUV. So it doesn't have that SUV-ish feel because there is no body roll, but it is nice to drive. As you can see, gear shifting is really smooth. So it is powered by the same 1.2 liter petrol engine which powers the Grand i10, the Grand i10 Nios, and the i20. So the power figures are the same because it is in the same state of tune. The 1.2 liter petrol, which produces 81 horsepower and 114 newton meters of torque. So now the question is, how this 1.2 liter petrol performs in this car, the Hyundai Venue. Well, first of all, the performance is not that good as it is in the Grand i10, because the Grand i10 is a much lighter car. This is a bit heavier, and this engine has got a very good low end and mid-range performance, which makes the drivability of this car in the city quite good. But out on the highway, you really have to shift the gears and rev this engine hard to get going quickly. Another good point of this engine is that it is really silent, completely smooth, really truly refined, because there is absolutely zero engine noise. Really smooth engine. The gear shifts are really smooth, butter smooth gear shifts. Clutch is light. The pedal placement is good, and the brakes are also really good. The ABS is very well calibrated. It doesn't interfere while driving and just makes the braking good. So I'm currently in 5th gear, driving at about 50 kilometers per hour, and the engine is steering about at 1500 RPMs. And let me just floor it. So I floored it, and AC, I have turned off the AC. It has picked up pace quite nicely, 70, and now it has done 80, and it is really stable, this car. And it's at 100. So the high speed stability of this car is quite good. There is no body roll or vertical movement, which makes driving this car really nice experience. I like it. So let's do a quick acceleration test of the Hyundai Venue 1.2 petrol. The AC is off. First gear, revving the motor, 2000 RPM, and here we go. 6200 RPM, second gear, revving quite nicely. Third gear, and just touched 100 kilometers per hour. Let's slow down a bit. Nice. The acceleration was quite good. I liked it. As you just saw, it touched 100 in no time, which means that the petrol engine is quite a good performer. For 81 horsepower, it offers quite good performance. And well, the main point of this car is the practicality and space. This car has got tons of space in the back and even in the front, and also the boot space is quite good. It's big and large. So let me just show you the instrument cluster of this vehicle. And brake on. So as you can see, in the centermost position there is the speedometer, which is marked up to 220 kilometers per hour. On the leftmost there is the tachometer, and the red line of this engine is at 6,200 rpms. And the rightmost there is this digital meter which tells you the temperature and the fuel level, and also the outside temperature, and also the inside temperature. There, that is the odometer, 958 kilometers, as this is a new car, and that is on. This tells the fuel economy of the car, and this is the average speed, and this is trip A, trip B, and this is the overall range of the car. So yes, it is quite loaded, not as much as the top end variant, but all the basic information is there. So let me just show you how much spacious the Hyundai Venue is. My height is 5.8 and I have set the seat just as per my liking, and as you can see, I am getting this much leg room, and the thigh support is also good. The steering, you can set the steering for height. There is no reach setup in this variant, and as you can see, this seat, the space is really nice. As you can see, my friend is sitting at the back seat. His height is also 5'8" and he is getting quite a lot of leg room, and there is also plenty of headroom, and 3 people can actually sit in this seat. There is a bit of a hump here, but that's not a problem. There is also a rear AC vent, which shows you that how much practical this car actually is. So let me just show you the boot space of this car. So electromagnetic tailgate opener opens like this. As you can see, the boot space is really deep and spacious, nice. Hyundai Venue badging here, I just like it. And as you can see, the design is really good. The ground clearance is really great. The doors are actually quite heavy, and the front look of this car is really nice. The grille is really bold. Big Hyundai logo here, and these are actually the fog lamps of this car, I guess. And this is the headlamp. Looks really dope. No projector setup for this variant, and actually the approach angle is also quite good for a bit of off-roading. Overall, a very nice looking car. I like it. So now comes the conclusion part of this video. Well, should you buy the Hyundai Venue 1.2 petrol? Well, definitely the Hyundai Venue 1.2 will be a great buy, and when compared to the competition, it is a great car. Also, in terms of practicalities, it is really nice. The space, as I show you, it is really nice. It is spacious, and when compared to the Brezza and Nexon petrol, yes, the performance is not as good as the Brezza and the Nexon, but overall the Venue is a great buy. So that was it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, please, and I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Till then, ride safe and ride hard.